Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. If you have faucet pay, you can claim. If you don't have faucet pay, you can make a faucet pay link in description. Okay, this website right now pay you 1 Satoshi every 10 minutes because of the Bitcoin price. You can see the Bitcoin price is right now the highest price in the universe of the cryptocurrency. Okay, and go to your wallet address, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here and come here, paste it. Okay, sorry, come here, paste it. Okay, okay, after pasting your Bitcoin wallet address in here, then you can click claim and solve this little captcha. First step, the solving the H capture. This one is a bolt. You can click the war and bolts. Okay, just click next, and the next one is again the war and bolts, and just click check. Okay, the next one is this capture. Okay, it's just solving this capture. You can solve it and you can click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay. Okay, now you can see, go to overview, and this website pay you instantly 1 Satoshi to your Bitcoin wallet address from Faucet pay. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.